Finally. Do you know where you are? It's just like last time. You were out a while. Said you wanted to ride it out. You told me not to let you run.
I don't remember that.
You said you'd forget. Said you'd accuse me of lying. I wasn't supposed to take it personally.
Are you lying?
Of course not. You remember me though, right?
I don't think so.
It's just like last time. You came too, though. Eventually. When you laughed when you heard that song on the radio. Reminded you of your dad. He was eclectic.
That's not helping.
I'm sorry, I don't know what to do when you don't remember me.
What did we take?
Does it matter?
Yes.
I don't know. Didn't do anything to me, though. But you? You cried. Said I was the only thing that made sense. You know, I didn't make you take anything.
I didn't say you did.
Yeah, but you always think that. You always look at me like that. Like it don't matter to you.
Are we together?
No, you made that very clear. But you call me every time you're about to break. Every fucking time! I was fine without you. Before us. Or whatever this is. You didn't find me well adjusted in some coffee shop or some shit. No. You found me face down in a bathtub screaming.
Oh, I don't remember that.
Yeah, well, lucky you. I'm not trying to mess with you. I can't keep doing this, the not knowing me. It's just the part where when I touch you and you flinch. I didn't you not to leave.
I'm not trying to hurt you.
Yeah, but you are. You just don't remember how.
I know I'm a lot.
I'm loud and you say I talk in these spirals. I just... I don't want to be a nobody again.
I don't want to be. I don't want to be your reason for being.
Yeah, but you are. You said we were made for each other.
Maybe I was lying.
No, I don't think so. I was there when you needed me. No questions asked.
What are we doing?
You said you wanted to let go. You fucking wanted to let go.
I'm not even holding on anymore.
Yeah, but you always come back. You're just looking for a reason to stay. So that's it, huh? I'm just here when you need me? Here to fuck up your life? So you can what? Build it back up without me? Say something! You are such a coward. God, we make each other better. We need each other. And you're just gonna throw that all away? God, how many times have we been here? I should hate you. But I don't. I keep thinking you're just gonna think of a way to stay. But you never fucking do. You just forget. But even worse, you just regret. If you leave, can you at least pretend that I mattered? You're back.